Have you ever dreamed to live on the lake? I believe so. Let me show you this wonderful home in Prior Lake that's located right next to the lake with all the summer and winter activity you may enjoy. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2-car garage. When you come into the house, this welcoming hall meeting you, and first things you can see hardwood floors that come in to the bedroom number 1 on the main level. Currently it's staged and used as office, but this room has a closet. This is a mudroom, very spacious and a lot of space to store your stuff. Mudroom connected with the garage. And now we're moving forward to the kitchen area. On the way we're passing pantry, such a beautiful wood doors. Pantry is spacious, you can put lots of stuff. And look at this open dining room that flow into the living room. Wow, it's very exciting. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, double sink, farm sink, place for eating kitchen, great for breakfast, floor to ceiling cabinets, and I know this tricky one, having a microwave in, very smart solution. If someone didn't show me, I would never find. Beautiful cabinets and upgraded chef kitchen with gas burning range and lots of counter space and drawers. Such a nice and deep drawers. It can be lots of stuff stored inside. Now we're going to this wonderful living room. Living room is overlooking the lake. I would say this living room like a heart of the house. It has wood burn fireplace and connected with the kitchen. Someone cooking there, great company can enjoy place in living room. Ceilings are also very interested here. It's a vaulted ceilings with wooden beams that give an accent and make space huge. This lovely fireplace have stone accent, great quality. And dining room, easy fit table for 6, and it's connected with the deck. And now let's explore the deck. This is a maintenance-free deck with a beautiful lake view. It have stone accents and it's fully fenced. Now we can see this gorgeous window, how big it is. And another great feature on this deck, this is built-in grill, which actually wired with the gas. You don't need to fill it out with the tanks because it has a gas line. It's a fantastic view of the lake. Let's go and see. staircase, and now we going to the lower level patio with great stone accent hammock to enjoy the sun. And if you want to stay in the shade, this is another spot for you. And if you prefer active water sport, this is your spot for your equipment. Nice sunbathing spot, and just through few steps you're going to the very soft lawn. I have no shoes today and walking, enjoying the grass and beautiful view from here to the lake. Here are some activities going on the lake and very calming waves. Can you imagine how you're going to be sitting here and enjoy the sunsets? One more look on this fantastic dining, living room and the kitchen, and look how bright this mudroom looks from the top. Now we're going upstairs. Upstairs it looks like a very new carpet, and I did not mention that walls are freshly painted, and this is a beautiful primary suite. Look at the size and windows all around. So much natural light. It's overlooking place for the bed and sitting area, which is connected to private primary bath. Bathroom has her built-in closet, linen closet, floor is tiled, and it has a separate tub and a shower. Shower has tiles from the top to the bottom, and plus it's two showers. Very deep tub with the same great view overlooking the lake. Beautiful prior lake. Double vanity, separate toilet with pocket door, extra walk-in closet. And now we're going to upper level. Yes, we did not miss this laundry, and I believe this is an ironing board. Yep, I know lots of people who love it, and it's another area where you can fold your clothes and sort through another 5 steps. Everything in the house is like 5 steps. Beautiful den. It can be little playroom or reading area and third bedroom with a big closet overlooking the yard. I like how wide and open it is, and carpet is very soft. And second bedroom on the upper level, it's a bedroom number 5 in the house, and it has another full bath with a shower and the tub combo and double vanity. And it's, I would say, no, it's a vinyl on the floor that looks like a tiles. To go downstairs, you need to pass just the 5 stairs down, and then on the way you can find a reading room or a mud room. anything what you want it to be. It has tiled floor and so many windows. I would say it's a sunroom. Also, this room is connected to outside. It has a door outside and it has an entrance closet. If you have a boat and extra equipment regarding summer activities or winter skating or ski, it's good to have everything ready just to go outside. Another 5 steps and we're going to the lower level. Beautiful office, built-in office with a window, second wood burn fireplace and sitting area and a wet bar. Also built-in cabinets which makes this place very attractive. And this is lower deck. What next? On the lower level we also can find full bath with a sink and combo tub with a shower. Tiles on the floor. Along the corridor, and we can find bedroom on the lower level. It can be a bedroom for guests or gym room, and the gym room on the way. It's a great place for gym. Lots of storage under the mudroom from a side, and we are going to storage room and a bigger storage on the garage. It's a great place for your yard equipment, swimming equipment, anything what is need to be stored in the house. What a gorgeous view of the house from the backyard. So you see it all today, and this is the way back out of the house to this freshly sealed driveway. And if you like gardening, you may have those wonderful tomatoes. This is what I can see plant right now here, and from the other side it's a little spot for extra gardening. If your kids like to play basketball, here you get it. If they're dreaming about their own house on the same lot, they can have lots of fun in this little fort under huge trees. Yay! Thank you for watching this tour, and if you think that you like this house or like life on the lake, contact me, share your thoughts. What lake in Minnesota is your favorite?